You can find him in the desert, you can find him by the sea. He'll climb a rocky mountain, he will nap under a tree. If you come along with Pops, it's about discovery. So let's hit the trail to see what we will see.
Hey grandchildren, it's Pops, and today the trail brings us to Laguna Ventanilla in the state of Oaxaca in the country of Mexico. And we're in a boat and we're in a lagoon, and the lagoon has crocodiles. But first, let's go through a special tunnel of trees known as mangroves, and there's two kinds here. There's a white mangrove and a red mangrove. As we go through the tunnel, you'll see the differences. Okay, here we go. The red mangroves on the right emit tannins into the water. The tannins help keep the water in the lagoon clean, so crocodiles and other creatures in the lagoon can live a healthy life. Here in La Ventanilla, the animals roam free in their natural habitat. We've found a spot where we can safely come ashore. So we're going to take a walk through this wonderful animal sanctuary which cares for injured animals before it returns them to the wild, and the crocodiles live in the wild right where we can see them. Let's go. Hey grandchildren, I'm with Nicolas Reyes, and that beautiful museum behind us was designed by this gentleman right here. He's not only going to tell us about that, but also about this whole conservatory, the compound that we're on, and all they do to protect the animals. Go ahead.
The main reason for visitors to come over to this place is to see the crocodiles and the natural habitat. But when you're in here, it's not only about the crocodiles. It's about the natural environment. Besides that, in the place where we are now, is an animal sanctuary where all the animals they found in the state of Oaxaca, or they get rescued from fire accidents, car accidents, or hunting season. When they get rescued, they send them over. We take care of them. When they're ready, they be returned back into the wild. So,
hey grandchildren, behind me is a river crocodile, and he's out of the water because he's cold-blooded. He has his mouth open to cool off. It looks pretty ferocious, but he's not hungry. He's just resting. You can see where crocodiles leave tracks in the sand. Here, baby crocodiles can safely grow up before they are released. So they brought this white-tailed deer here to rehabilitate it after it was injured in the wild. Once it's rehabilitated, they'll release it back into the wild. Well, hey grandchildren, I hope you've enjoyed our visit to La Ventanilla. We saw crocodiles, we saw deer, and we saw iguanas, and lots of other creatures. We'll see you next time on Pops on the Trail.